to my series where I review showers and their different complexities and, different things about them. So, right now, I'm in a completely foreign shower, Like, this shower could be, it's a weird shower. I'm not gonna lie to you. This shower right here is not a shower you want to mess with, It has a few different modes to it. There's the jet stream mode. There's the full wash. We have the other jet stream, but in like a little turrets, so I can hit you with the turrets. We have the light mode, and we have a few other modes here that I'm not gonna get too deep into. Now this shower, it's very foreign to me. This is my first time in this shower. You don't know what can go down here, some shit could happen, some real bad shit could happen. You don't know what the fuck could happen. So this shower, we're gonna start off with the water. We're gonna see what the water gives me first, and I'll tell you guys. So let's do it. So if you hear that is a 5-second or 2-3-second delay in the shower, and I'm currently being blasted with the cold water. This is not pleasant, but I hear that cold water is good for your skin, so maybe that's a little better take from me. Now this water is so cold, dude. And as soon as you step into this water, it just blasts you with cold water. That is not a good sign, man. Here we have a little string here where you can control the water in the shower head. Control it. Got all the water. And so it first splashes you with cold water, and then it slowly turns to hot water. So that's nice. We're gonna test this on every part. There's the jet stream mode, like I showed you, which is blast water. Doesn't matter how far you are. This thing is a sniper. This water right here, it is a sniper. Well, it is a sniper. It will blast your ass with water. Okay, here we have a full rinse mode, which is just like get your normal shower. We don't want to have too much water pressure, all that stuff. Here we have the turret mode. The turret mode just blasts. It doesn't really blast, but it's like slow little water turrets. Here we have a faster turret, which are like basically faster bullets of water. And then we have the complete laser. It is literally a laser just going down into the bathtub. We're gonna test this right now. We're gonna see how it works. Yeah, that works. That right there works. That shower head right there. Yeah, that's a nice shower head. That is an amazing shower head right there. That's a shower head you don't want to mess with right there. That is a nice shower head. Okay. Never wanted it to book by its cover. You always want to test it first. How do we test it? That's something for you to find out, but we sure do test these shower heads. We test them well. We test these shower heads to the max. We put them to the test. We put these shower heads. We put them to the actual test. Yeah, we put these things to the test. We get everything wet. over here on this channel, on Rock Kids Zero Sauce, we get everything wet right here. We get everything wet. It doesn't matter. We don't care. We gonna get every single thing wet. One more time. That's how it works. Woo! God damn. That is a nice shower head, folks. I'm gonna tell you the model real quick, if I could get the name. That is doesn't say here, but I'm just gonna tell you it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 different modes. And let me tell that shower head, it is amazing, guys. You want to buy that shower head, you want, when they ask you, what kind of shower head do you want for your shower? I want to install a shower with 5 different modes on it. That's what you tell them. You tell them, oh, I want to install a shower head with 5 different modes onto it, right? Because that shower head will get everything wet. It does not matter. It does not care, bro. Holy damn. Oh. Amazing shower head, folks.